In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture image from video in Canva. We'll turn a single frame from your video into a clean, downloadable image, perfect for thumbnails, posts, or design elements. Start by opening Canva and choosing a canvas to work on. You can use a blank design or pick any ready-made template that matches your project's size, like a YouTube thumbnail or an Instagram post. The important thing is to open a design where your video will sit comfortably at the size you want the final image. Next, add your video to the design and press play. You can drag and drop it onto the canvas or choose it from your uploads or library. Make sure the video is placed and scaled the way you want it to appear in the snapshot. Let the video play, then pause right on the exact moment you want to capture. For precision, use the playhead controls, and if needed, scrub slowly to land on the ideal frame. Take a second to check the framing, any overlays, and that the subject is sharp. With the frame paused, right-click on the page and choose Split Page. This creates a new page break at the current playhead, so the paused frame becomes the first frame of the next page. This step is what makes it possible to export that specific frame as a still image. Go to the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for a crisp, high-quality image. If multiple pages are selected, uncheck. Select All, so you don't export the entire project, then choose Current Page, which should be the page created by the split. Double-check that it's the correct page showing the frame you paused on. Click Done to lock in that selection, and then click Download to save the image to your device. Back in your design, add a new page so you have a clean space to use the snapshot. Insert the downloaded image by uploading it or dragging it into Canva, and place it on the new page. From here, you can crop, add text, apply filters, or frame it with any design elements you like. That's it. You've captured a precise image from your video empty inside Canva. No external tools required. If you plan to export for the web, keep PNG for transparency and sharp edges. If you need a smaller file, you can convert it later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building out your visuals with perfectly timed video stills.